What up, YouTube? It's Don John. So today we are going to be making some cake-like cookies with marshmallows inside. That sounds delicious to you? You want to make them? All right, come on. These are all the ingredients I used to make these cookies. They'll be in the description box below. First, we'll take the butter, put it in a bowl, and put it in the microwave for 50 seconds. So I have my butter melted, and now I'm going to add in my sugars. So I added in my sugar, my white sugar, that's good. So now I can add in my brown sugar. Now I'm going to put in my dry ingredients in a bowl. So first here, I have my flour. Good. Don't want nothing wasted. Okay, good. And now here I have my cornstarch. Next I have some baking soda and baking powder. I have chilled my butter and sugar combination, and now I'm going to add in the flour. And these are the eggs I forgot to mention before in the picture, but these go in also. Combine well, but you don't want to overmix it. After breaking up the chocolate, combine with the mixture. So here I have a sheet, baking sheet, and then a tray. So I'm going to start packing my cookies together, but not too hard, not too tightly, keep it a little loose, so it has nice texture. Here are my packed cookies. For this time, I made a lot for a lot of people, so I made them smaller than usual. If you like, you can make them big, like at about 170 grams. After chilling the cookies for about 2 hours, I then want to make them flat so I can put the marshmallow in the center and create a ball. After packing all the cookies with the marshmallows, I then chilled them again, this time only for about 30 minutes. Now it's time for the magic show. We put our cookies on a tray and space them accordingly. For me, I made a lot of cookies, so I had to be tight with my arrangement. But I suggest that you put less cookies and you will have less problems. But man, these cookies look delicious. After chilling the cookies for about 10 minutes, these are the results. They look so good. Don't you want to have one? But I recommend you make it and tell me how it tastes. So after putting all that work in the kitchen, it's off to the gym. The first thing on our menu today is red delts. I think I'm lacking in that area, so I want to put that first. I like this exercise because it provides a great stretch on my delts and I get a good contraction. So if you think you want to work on your red delts, this is the exercise for you. Next up, cable shoulder raises. I like these because they provide tension the whole way through. And for myself, I like to use cuffs. Using cuffs, you don't have to worry about your grip and fatigue in your hand. Just always tension on the muscle is your focus. Here we have dumbbell upright rows. I like to go a little heavy so I can get more tension on the muscle. These are quite good for your shoulders, and you know, if you place them well, you also can hit your traps a little bit too. And the last exercise of the day, dumbbell side races. With moderate weight, go to failure. Try to pump out as many of these as you can and enjoy.